I am Dr. Naveen Reddy, working as consultant physician at Yashoda Hospital, Somajiguda. Today we'll talk about COVID and lifestyle disorders. The common lifestyle disorders are obesity, hypertension, diabetes, heart diseases, the diseases of the digestive system like peptic ulcers, GERD, diseases of the respiratory system like COPD, bronchial asthma, some neuropsychiatric diseases like especially depression, stress, anxiety, especially during COVID times. It is very important to manage lifestyle disorders during COVID, especially those who are suffering with chronic diseases, because they are more susceptible for COVID infection, and the infection is severe in these kind of patients. So an adequate control of these diseases by lifestyle modification and adequate pharmacotherapy is essential. Yes, COVID-19 poses a double challenge for the patient because the patients with lifestyle disorders are more prone for the infection and may require hospitalization. The severity of the illness is more in patients suffering with chronic lifestyle disorders. The red flag signs or warning signs in a chronic disorder patients like hypertension, diabetes, chronic kidney disease are breathlessness, chest pain, wheezing, palpitations, loss of consciousness or decreased sensorium, dehydration, giddiness, stomach pain, vomitings. Whenever the patient notices these kind of symptoms, they should immediately consult the doctor. Chronic medical condition patients are at higher risk for COVID infection because of their impaired immune system, and these kind of patients may require hospitalization compared to normal patients. As discussed earlier, whenever there are red flag signs or warning signs noticed by the patient or by the patient attenders, they should visit the nearest doctor or to the emergency room. The basic measures: keep social distance, keep washing your hands regularly, hand hygiene, cough etiquette, and use a mask whenever you are going out. Other than that, they should be very careful, especially patients with chronic kidney disease patients. They should undergo their regular dialysis session. They should not miss the session. They should continue, kidney transplant patients should continue their immunosuppressive medication. Hypertensive patients should take their regular antihypertensives. Diabetes patients should keep checking their sugars regularly at home, keep hydrated, drink a lot of water. Those who are on insulin should keep checking their ketones regularly. All chronic disease patients should follow the general measures to prevent the infection, like staying at home, keep social distance, wear a mask, hand hygiene, cough etiquette. Along with that, they should avoid processed food, do regular exercise, have a good sleep, avoid unnecessary stress, and avoid alcohol and tobacco. Tips during COVID pandemic: avoid physical inactivity, do regular exercise, take healthy food, avoid processed food, canned food, drink lot of water, keep yourself hydrated, take lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, avoid unhealthy habits like smoking, alcohol, keep yourself motivated, stay positive, stay safe at home.